Hello again, this is William Betts, founder of Palm Beach Tai Chi. I'm producing a series of quick 5-minute videos which give you some lessons, some tips that I hope will help you in your Tai Chi and Qigong practice. In this particular series of videos, we're going through the 5 principles of balance. In this video, we're going through the second principle, which is the arrangement of the legs. If you haven't watched the first video, the first principle of balance, vertical line inside, I encourage you to go back and watch that one first. Okay? So the arrangement of the legs. The arrangement of the legs is how we step. As I've mentioned many times, what's incredible, what's so profound about Tai Chi is that these lessons we learn, these principles, not only apply to Tai Chi and Qigong forms, they also apply to how we move about in our daily life. So keep that in mind as you're exploring, as you're learning these. This also applies to how you move throughout the day. Okay? So, to get up to this, let's go ahead and review that first principle of balance, the vertical line inside. We have a relaxed stance, relax our arms, loosen our legs. Relax lower back, knees flex naturally, top center of head ascending to the sky above. Take a nice smooth breath. Now, the vertical line inside, center between legs down, top center of head up. That's the vertical line inside. Now, we want to shift that line to the left. We're shifting our weight to the left foot. We want to keep that line vertical. Now, our left foot is heavy, our right foot is light, so we can step forward with our right foot. But how far do we step? How do we do this mindfully? We never want to do anything mindlessly. Okay, so what I want you to do, remember your left foot is heavy, your right foot is light. Let's place your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. Now, notice where your right big toe is. Move your right heel to there. Okay, now rotate your right foot to the right, 90 degrees. Note where your right big toe is there. Move your right heel there. This is the arrangement of the legs. This is referred to as a primary step. It's a 1-by-1 step. 1 foot's length, wide and deep. Not 12 inches, but 1 foot. This is everybody's natural gait. It's a 1-by-1 step. Okay? Now, even though we've stepped, let's take care, pick up that right foot because you haven't shifted your weight yet. Okay? Your weight still remains on your left foot as you're stepping with your right. That is a separate process, and that's the next principle, is how we shift our weight. So this is a 1-by-1 step. Now let's draw back in the right foot, sway a little bit left and right just to disconnect, to unroot our feet from the earth. If you need to, relax and refresh your legs just a little. Okay? I'm going to do that from a different point of view from this side, just in case you get a little confused with the left and right. Okay? So, we have a relaxed stance, relax our arms, loosen legs. Nice smooth breath, center between legs down, top center of head up, vertical line inside. Very, very nice. Now, let's shift the vertical line to the left. Weight arrives on our left foot. So left foot is heavy, right foot is light. Put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. Move your right heel where your right big toe is. And then rotate your right foot to the right, 90 degrees. Notice where your right big toe is again. Move your right heel there. That's a 1-by-1 step. And again, even though we've stepped, we have not shifted our weight. So pick up that right foot just to make sure. If you were like this and you had to rock back to lift up your foot, that means you already initiated that weight move, that weight transfer. We don't want to do that yet. That's our next video. That's an arrangement of the waist. We do everything in very sequential order, very mindfully. Okay, so this is a 1-by-1 step. Now, draw back in the right foot. Sway a little bit. After deliberate practice like this, always make sure you relax and loosen your legs, your hips, knees, and your ankles. Now, let's do that to the other side. Shift our weight to our right foot. The right foot is heavy. Left foot in front of the right. Step it out, 1 foot deep. Rotate it to the left, 90 degrees. Step it out to the left. Very good. This is a 1-by-1 step on the other side. And remember, pick up that foot just to make sure you haven't shifted your weight. All the while, this whole time, vertical line inside remains. We don't want to have to lean over to step like this. The vertical line inside always remains. Okay? Now, let's draw back the left foot. Sway a little bit left and right. Okay? Loosen any legs and loosen and release any tension that has arrived through this practice. All right, and a nice smooth breath. All right, well that's going to do it for this video. That is the second principle of balance, the arrangement of the legs. In the next video, we'll be going through the arrangement of the waist, how we shift our waist forward and back, left and right. That's the third principle of balance. So thanks again for watching. I hope this video has served you, and I hope this video helps in your journey of discovery with these amazing arts of Tai Chi and Qigong. So until next time, namaste.